guys, Mixed Media Girl here. Happy New Year! So this is my 2022 year in review. It's been a wild and rather productive year. So I released the Fluid Art Coasters mini course, which was really fun. And then I painted this very large dog at a gallery opening in Los Angeles. Next, I taught my first fluid art workshop in Dallas, Texas. That was an incredible weekend of workshops. I taught acrylic pouring. Garrick Brown came and taught about blooms. And then Erica from Artist Till Death taught a day of resin art, including geodes, beaches, and all kinds of fun stuff. So that was an incredibly fun class. Next, I released my color mixing mini course where you can learn all about color theory and making your own colors, including various shades of green, purple, and orange. Then I took a road trip with my daughter. We went kayaking, we went to Carlsbad Caverns, went to Roswell, New Mexico, kind of all over the place. It was a lot of fun. Then I taught at my first fluid art experience in Dallas, Texas. And this is one of my really fun classes. It was a wacky pours class, getting people out of their comfort zone on acrylic pouring. I think my students had a blast, and there were a ton of really cool teachers and demos there, including Cole's Color and different classes on all kinds of fluid art techniques, such as blooms. After that, I had a class in Seguin, Texas, where I also taught fluid art for a whole weekend with Erica from Artist Till Death. And once again, I taught acrylic pouring and she taught resin art. But on this class, we did something a little bit different. And Clara Lawrence actually came and taught alcohol ink art, which was really fun. Then I released a couple new products this year, including the 5-compartment split cup with a handle. And this is now available on my website. And then also the jumbo bottle bottom. This thing is massive and it is so much fun. So here is me using it on a 36 by 36 inch canvas to kind of give you an idea of the size. So also now available on my website. Very, very fun tool. Then I leased my new office space. More about that coming up. I then taught my first class ever in Florida. And this was another weekend workshop of acrylic pouring and resin art. And the students had a blast. I really, really hope to be back very soon because it was so much fun. We did beaches, we did geodes, we did string pulls, we did swipes, we did flip cups, we did tree rings, just kind of you name it. The students learned so much and we had a really great time. Then I taught my first Business of Art workshop at the Fluid Art Experience again in Dallas. I also had a vendor booth there and it was super fun, tons of artists, lots of fun demos and experiences, and I even got to hang out with Cole's Color afterwards and do a bunch of really awesome pendulum pours. And I also hung out with Jeremy from Massey Art Studio and we had a whole day of just making some incredible bloom art with my daughter as well. She actually made this one. And once I returned from Dallas, I got right on to setting up my new office and classroom to get ready for the grand opening. So this was an incredibly fun project for me. Definitely stressful, but it was awesome to just make it into something beautiful and be excited to have people come in and see it. So this is in Pasadena, California, and it is a space that you can come in and take in-person classes and workshops. You can also come shop in person. We're not open all the time, but you can make an appointment or you can shop at any class. And we've got a nice big space to do all of the shipping out of here. We had the grand opening in December and it was so much fun. We did acrylic pours on ornaments, we had demos, we had giveaways, gift bags, even a hot chocolate bar, which I was also really excited about. So that was the grand opening. And then we also held our first ever class in the studio, which was an acrylic pour on vases paint night. And once again, so much fun. I look forward to all of the classes coming up in January. You can see the full schedule on the website at mixedmediagirl.com. We've got the full January calendar up and we are starting to work on the February calendar. Then lastly, I went to the beach and did some painting with all of these crazy people, including Billy from Fluid Art Co., Lisa Marvin, who came all the way from Canada, Jessica Winterstrom from Winterstrom Art, and we did just a bunch of demos. We did gift bags. It was just so much fun. Honestly, a really crazy thing to do because who paints at the beach? And it was a very cold day in Los Angeles, but we had so much fun. So that about sums it up for 2022. There was, of course, a ton of really fun art projects that I did, collaborations. I met so many really awesome people. And I just want to say I appreciate every single one of you. And here's to an awesome 2023.